Hello children, now we are starting with exercise 7.1 question number 3. Hope you have finished with question number 1 and 2. Now question number 3 for the same exercise page 114 7.1 cube and cube root. It says find the smallest number. Only we have to find the smallest number by which the given number must be divided. In the previous question we have done about multiplication. Now it is about dividing so as to get a perfect cube. So first of all, by prime factorization, its unit digit is 8 divisible by 2. Remember the divisibility test. 2 6 12, 2 4 8, 2 3 6, 2 2 4, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4s, 2 2s and 2 1s. So all is divisible by 2. Now we will write the factors here. 128 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2, 1 pair, 2 pair, into 2 and left out is 2. So these are in triplets and there is 1, 2. So after grouping we will write, after grouping only 2 is left. So 128 must be divided by 2 so as to get a perfect cube. Now do the division. 128 divided by 2, that is equals to 64. So 64 is the number that is a perfect cube. So what will be the answer now left? So factors of 64 are 2 into 2 into 2. Hence it is a perfect cube. So what is the smallest number? Therefore the smallest number is 2, which must be divided so as to obtain a perfect cube. If he has asked for the perfect cube, you can write perfect cube is 64. Now if he says find this cube root of that number, that we will tell you later, but just he has asked find the smallest number. Smallest number is 2 and perfect cube is 64 if you want to write. Clear children? Now we are moving to part 4th of same question, question number 3. Yes, 192. Unit digit is 2. So by divisibility test, it must be divisible. 2 9s 18, 2 6 12, 2 4s 8, 2 8, 2 2s 2 4s, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3 6 and left out is 3 1s 3. So write down the prime factors now. 198 is equals to 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 is left. 1, 2 and left out is our number only 3. That means it must be divided. So 192 must be divided, as it is not in triplet, by 3 so as to get a perfect cube. That means smallest number is 3. Now find it. 192 divided by 3. Find it. 3 6 18, 1 carry, 3 4 12. Again 64 has a cube root of 2 into 2 into 2. That is equals to 2 2's 4, 4 cube. So answer smallest number. 3, that must be divided. Smallest number to be divided. 3 and perfect cube is 64, जो किसके बराबर आएगा 4 cube के. So that is our answer. I hope these questions are clear to you now. Yes children, now I am moving to question number 3, fifth part, 704. Find the smallest number by which it must be divided so as to get a perfect cube. Now unit digit is 4, divisible by 2. Carry over the 2, 3, 6. 2 5 tens, 2 twos. Again, divisible by 2. 2 ones, 2 7 14, 2 6 12. Unit digit is 6. Again divisible by 2. 2 fours, 2 twos, 2 11. Now it will be divisible by 11. So factors of 704 are, these are in pairs, and left out is this one, 2 into 2 into 2, and we are left out with 11. So that means since 11 is not in triplet, so number must be divided by 11. Therefore 704 must be divided by 11 so as to get a perfect cube. Now divide it. 11 6 66, 11 4 44. That means 64 के फैक्टर क्या आ जाएंगे? 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, which is a perfect cube. Hence our answer should be smallest number to be divided. Smallest number to be divided, that is equals to 11, and perfect cube is 64. So what we have discussed here, which number is not in triplet, that must be divided so as to get a perfect cube. In all the three parts we have find them in the grouping of 3. These were in group of 3, 2's are in triplet, and only 11 remains, so it must be divided by 11. So smallest number to be divided is 11. Clear, children? Now we are moving to question number 4, that is last question. Yes, the question says Parikshit makes a cubite of plasticine of side dimensions are given 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. How many cubites will be needed to form a cube? Now first of all, how many cubites? We need to find the volume of a cubite. Volume of a cubite is L into B into H, that is given by 5 into 2 into 2. Multiply the dimensions, centimeter cube, 5 to 10, 10 5 50 centimeter cube. Now we will find the prime factors of 50. So we can write 50 will be equals to 2 into 5 into 5. Now from here what we need to find? We need to find a cube. That means only 1 2 is there. This is not in triplet. We need 2 more 2's and 1 more 5 to make it a perfect cube. So you will write since in prime factorization twos and 5 are not in triplet. So we need 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20 cubites to make it a cube. Hence 20 cubites needed to form a cube. So our answer will be equals to 20. Clear, children? What the question says? Parikshit makes cubites of plasticine of dimensions this. So volume of cubite L into B into S 50. How many cubites will be needed? Find the prime factor. 2's and 5's are not in triplet. To make it a perfect cube, we need 2 times 2 and 1 times 5. That is 2 into 2 into 5, 20. So how many cubites will be needed? 20 cubites will be needed to form it a perfect cube. I hope this is clear. So after that I am giving a combined question of question number 2 and 3 so that you are able to understand it very easily. So the combined question, and it is an extra question, but you have to do it on your notebooks and understand it. Find the smallest number by which the number 675, the number is 675, must be first part multiplied, then divided so as to get a perfect cube. So as to get a perfect cube. Now we will find the prime factor. So first of all 675. How will you find its unit digit is 5. First of all check. 7, 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. That means it is divisible by 3. 3 to 6, 3 to 6, 3, 5, 15. 2 to 4, 5, 9. Again divisible by 3. Again divisible by 3. Now 5 plus 2 7, not divisible by 3. Unit digit is 5, divisible by 5. 5, 5, 25, 5, 1, 5. So 675 factors are 3 into 3 into 3. These are in triplets, and here 5 is not in triplet. So we need, for the first part it says by which number it must be multiplied and divided. So 3's are in triplet and number must be multiplied by 5 so as to get a perfect cube. Clear, children? So required number is 5, smallest number. How? 675 into 5. Now you will find the factors. You can easily find 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. So smallest number is 5. Clear, children? So first part answer is smallest number to be multiplied 5 and cube root, perfect cube, that is 3375, which is 15 cube. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now in the second part it says by which number it must be divided. Now 5 into 5, these are not in triplet, so the number must be divided by 25 so as to get a perfect cube. Now I am doing the second part. Clear? Since 675 factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, as 5's are not in triplet, so 675 must be divided by 5 into 5, 25, so as to get a perfect cube. That means 675 divided by 25, that is equals to 27, and we can find the cube root of 27, cube of 27, that is equals to 3 into 3. These are in perfect cube. So what will be the answer? So answer, smallest number divided. Smallest number to be divided is 25 and perfect cube is 27. I hope this question is clear. This clearly states that find the smallest number which must be multiplied. So it must be multiplied by 5. From the prime factorization, it must be divided. So clearly it must be divided by 5 into 5, 25, so as to get a perfect cube. Smallest number to be divided is 25 and perfect cube is 27. Smallest number to be multiplied is 5. I hope with this the topic is fully clear to you.